At Salesian College Sunbury, we welcome every student to a place where learning is alive, community is strong, and excellence is a shared journey. Here, curiosity is encouraged, creativity is celebrated, and connection is at the heart of everything that we do. Our curriculum empowers students to pursue their passions, whether that's through VCE, VET, or vocational major pathways, building a foundation for learning and a future with endless possibilities. Excellence at Salesian College takes many forms, whether it's on the stage, in the classroom, on the field, or in the workshop. Our students are empowered to pursue their passions and achieve their very best. Through elite programs in the arts, academics, sports and trades, every student is supported to develop resilience, creativity and leadership, preparing them for success in every walk of life. As a vibrant and diverse community, we are inspired by the traditions of St John Bosco, where we nurture hearts and minds to serve with compassion and courage. With our new senior campus on the horizon, offering specialised spaces for advanced learning, as well as partnerships with Kangan TAFE, students will gain real-world skills and confidence to thrive beyond school. Come and see for yourself. Salesian College Sunbury, striving in life.